Aloha from Maui. I'm Lucky, spiritual wellness author, here to help you, you ambitious human you, to quiet your mind chatter as you are pursuing your dreams so that you can enjoy the journey as you check things off that big to-do list. I am so excited because on June 1st, I leave for Europe. I'm going to be leading wellness workshops in Portugal, in Spain, in Germany, and Switzerland. I cannot wait. Well, I can wait because actually I'm trying to be present in the moment and look forward to traveling. I get to serve others by helping you use wellness tools to release all that no longer serves you. Those barricades that you have stuffed down inside of you and it's blocking the flow of divine source's light. And we get to practice releasing those in my wellness workshops so that you can be of maximum service to the people around you and to yourself. Today I am reading from my book, Quiet Your Mind Chatter. Just a little bit of a start of a meditation. It says, close your eyes and thank yourself for being present. So let's just practice that just for a quick, impactful meditation. You're going to breathe in and out. Just closing our eyes, hand over heart, that feels good to you, and thanking ourselves for being present. Breathing in. It's windy here. It's probably messing up the audio. We're going with it. We're breathing out. No matter what's going on with you, I'm just going to take a couple more breaths and breathe in, eyes closed. And breathe out. We're quite in our minds, so just put your hand, I'm worried about my hair, put your hand over your head, the top of your head or the back of your head, the front, anywhere you want that feels good. Just quieting that mind. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can talk to our minds. Give our minds instructions. Mind, settle. We're being gentle and kind with our minds. Our minds are very busy. Give your head a little bit of a rub. Why not? Mind, let's settle. Let's enjoy being present in this moment. Breathe in and release. And we're going to smile and open our hearts and our hands to the heavens. Thanking Divine Source for all that we need in this moment. We are safe and we are loved right here,